This card provides access to all the currencies in your Wise account. It is essential if you travel, shop online, pay in different currencies, or simply want to save money on ATM withdrawals and conversions. This card should probably become your new best friend. It can take your multi-currency money management to the next level. Hi, this is John from Wise. Welcome to our channel. Here you can find easy and quick guides on how to use our great products. In the previous video, we talked about the Wise account, how to set it up, how to open a balance, and how to get account details. You can find a link to it in the description. In that video, we mentioned the Wise debit card. Today, let's take a closer look at it, because this card definitely deserves it. Spending is free when you have the same currency on your account. And if you don't, we'll convert the currency you do have using our transparent mid-market rates with no hidden markups. We simply add a small fee you can clearly see up front. Withdrawing from an ATM is also free, up to a certain limit. Sounds like a dream, eh? In this video, you'll find out how to get a Wise card for your personal account and how to use it to its fullest. In the description, you can also find a link to the blog post designed to provide you with more details. I'll refer to it when I mention any region-specific information so you can check what is applicable to your country. Okay, where can you get the Wise card? There is a long list of countries where we deliver them. Check the blog post I mentioned for the most updated version of this list. If you're a resident in one of these countries, congrats! You can get the card. How to get it? All you need to do after your Wise account is set up and verified is to click on the card tab from the app or desktop and choose to order your card. We'll ask you to enter the address, set a PIN, choose how your name appears on the card, and pay a small fee or make a top-up. This depends on the region and the cost we handle to deliver to the chosen area. At the time of this recording, in European countries, it is around 6 to 8 euros. In the UK, it's £7, and it's $9 in the United States. In some countries, we now ask you to make a small top-up. This information is just for your reference, so you know what to expect. You'll see the actual amount when you finalize your order. And no, there's no monthly service fee, no subscription fee, just a one-time payment for your order. We don't want to be one of the numerous subscriptions in your list. After this step, the card order is completed. Based on the region, the estimated timeframes of arrival are slightly different. In Europe, it's currently around 14 working days, whereas in the UK, personal cards tend to arrive within 2 to 6 working days. The blog post in the description covers all countries and current timeframes, so check it out for more information. The activation of the card is quite simple. Just pay for your first purchase using the chip and PIN to enable contactless payments. If the chip and PIN is declined, use your card in an ATM to either check your balance or withdraw cash. For cards ordered to the US, the process is a bit different. The card must be activated in the United States. So if you're planning on traveling, make sure you activate the card before you go. Click on Card. Choose Activate your card, and then enter the 6-digit code that's on the card under your name and choose your PIN. That's it. In most of the regions, you can also add your card to Apple Pay and Google Pay. On an iPhone, you'll need to open Apple Pay, enter the card details or scan them, and then verify the card with an SMS code. For Google Pay, you open the Google Pay app, click Add, and choose Credit or Debit Card. Enter the details or scan your card. Then pick a verification option and enter the verification code. What about ATM cash withdrawals? You can do this around the world for free before reaching a limit, and then paying a small fee after passing it. The limit depends on where the card is issued. For example, if the cards are issued in Europe or in the UK, at the time of this recording, there are 2 monthly withdrawals for no fee if the total amount is up to 200 euros or pounds. Please check the blog article in the description for more details on all regions. We also specify how you can check your current limits there. An important note on withdrawals: when you're abroad, ATMs may ask you to convert your money for you. If you say yes to this option, you may be charged an unfair exchange rate, even if you're using a Wise card. To avoid extra fees from an ATM, always choose the local currency where the ATM is located. This means dollars in New York and euros in Paris. But what if you want to pay, let's say, dollars, but you only have euros in your Wise account. Well, as we said before, Wise charges a small conversion fee, but the exchange rate has no additional markups. In the blog from the description, you can check the pricing details there yourself. Well, what else can you do with the card, from the app or desktop? Well, you can freeze it, for example if it is an emergency case. You can check your card details and PIN, manage payment methods, change limits. Also, we'll show you some tips designed to help you save more money. Although we tried to cover all the important details about the Wise debit card in this video, you may still have some questions. That's perfectly fine. We're here to help. Simply drop your questions in the comments and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Consider subscribing for more videos about our products and features. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.